Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Meghalaya Joint Council of Trade Union and Association, Batka All India Trade Union Congress, Meghalaya Union, Hakalai tari unai wing arhajar arpaway, kalapenlong ya kajing yakhi baren, bat ginong yalam, ya kabalapenlong ha opes jong kaseng. Bat kajing tmu jong katay kajing yakhi, kalong ban penrem jor bat pensngaw siya kasorkar, ya kajing kiudor baman nakasngi, jong ka petrol, diesel, bat ka gas. Bat kani kablak tak jorru ya kipat ba, ya kinong belas ngi, bat kakta ru ya kayok kakon. Kani ka jingkiudor kakta omtang ya ka petrol bat diesel, henry wat ya kimarbam mardi baro. Balik si ka jingkiu kimarbam, kadaybet ka jingkiudor ka petrol. Kini ki artli ki seng ki dawaru na kasorkar, ban penhiardor ya ka umpnyang, bat ban bu dor tikna ya ka dor syong taksi ha ka jela. Ban pensange ru ya ka jingsyem kabu kinong nya kali.
At present, we feel there is no government for the poor. AITC and MGCTUA basically stands for the poor and downtrodden, poor classes of the society. And by the height of essential commodities, mostly petrol and diesel, it is directly, indirectly, all the poor, student communities and the labor classes. Since we stand for the labor classes and we feel more about them. So directly these vehicle owners, those who own the vehicles, SUV vehicles, will not feel much. They never feel, even if it is 200 or so, they will luxuriously go for it because it does not hit them. It hits only us, the poor classes. That is why we are here today to express our concern for the poor sections of the society. And we will take some resolutions and we will submit it to the government concerned.
I, as a trade union leader, I will see that I am a failure. I could not motivate some people against the price rise. The biggest one under the MJCTUA, every year we used to do demonstration program in front of the state secretariat, that is in near CTO building. We never came a single person from the state secretariat. If you see in the other state, the state secretariat people, the state, not only secretariat, the state government employees, they used to come, but it is not there. In diesel price, gas price last month we have purchased it 1,020, and I heard that now another 250 rupees will be increased. And you know, the Prime Minister Ujala scheme, the downtrodden, the below poverty line has been given the gas. But how they will purchase the gas for 1,020?
Which is basically fueled by the hike in petrol prices, petrol diesel prices, which is increasing every day. And there is no sign of any action, any concrete action by the government to control it. As our country is celebrating the 100 crores vaccination, every day you find something in TV, radio, everywhere they are celebrating 100 crore vaccination has been done. At the same time, petrol prices has gone up more than 100, diesel prices also gone more than 100. The government is quite sad. People are suffering. Again, we find some sections of common people are being misled. Yesterday I have seen some people sending some messages. This petrol price hike is for good because it will control the use of petrol and thereby save environment. Ridiculous ideas. Someone was sending message that now because of Diwali, some Dhanteras program, people are purchasing ornaments, 3 crores, 5 crores ornaments, when people have so much of money, why they cannot pay 100 rupees for petrol? What a ridiculous idea. Those who are purchasing ornaments for 3 crores, 5 crores, they are not common people. The burden is on the common people, for all of us. And we do not have crores of rupees to buy ornaments. We do not have lakhs also. So this is the position we have here throughout the country. And in Meghalaya, particularly, we have another situation that because there is very minimal public transport, the students, general commuters, they have to travel by private taxis, and private taxis are charging as they like according to their sweet will. People from rural areas have to bear all these tortures. I will say the torture they have to bear with these things. So life has become really miserable. Not only this petrol, diesel prices. What is the price of, say, let us say mustard oil, which was about 100 rupees a year back. Now it has come up to 260 rupees per liter. If you buy Kachi Ghani mustard per liter, it is 260 rupees. In last 2 months, the latest we have got a batch in on 2 months back, it was 235 rupees per liter. Yesterday, the new batch has come, that is 265 rupees per liter. That's how it is increasing. Not only mustard oil, similarly sunflower oil and all other rapeseed oils, their prices are also increasing almost in every consignment. Who is facing all this with the common people?
Persya halor ka ni ka jingkiw ya ka do jo ki marpam halor ka petrol ka gas bat pun ki jingdan kam ki baman ka simo ki kiw do na ka por sya ka por te menta kas ngi pelong ka ni demonstration ni mla man pelong ka bahe na mar sak sarkar ka kem ai ka jingkit ni bagi pelong bahe ka cha ini ta man pelong apa ini yin te ngi pawan tang ya ki leaders jong ki different unions ki badan apa ka AIDC ni pawan ban attend ya ka join protest demonstration. Te main objective kabangi thmu ya ka kabangi demonstrate kalau mangin pensno sya ka sarkar halor ka jingkiw dor pelat jong ki marpam. Bat ni sutho baga jingkiw dor jong ki marpam ka debit na ka petrol. Baga kiw dor ka petrol te long kamarpam automatically kan kiw dor. Namar bagi wat ki nong di hayaw mo ki ong baga jingkiw dor ki marpam ka de na ka petrol. Te kabangi ni kwa ban kentu ya ka sarkar mo ban karpat ba kinele ka ban pen hiar ya ka dor ka petrol khanang ba ki dor ki marban ken hiar bat kanung kta pat ya gini kinong belah namar kani ka kta khamtam kinong belah ki batrai kita ki daily wages mo lani kung ki ba yo kumangi ki anganwadi workers ni yo kum ka honorarium ka balong tang khindiat te ka honorarium kene ka jo ka dor jong kamar ka bangi ba man kasngi ka kiw dor na ka man la kasngi ndai tang shisin tang shipor bu ndai ka kiw man kasngi daily ka kiw ki marbang te ka jingyo ka jongi ka ne kum jo ba ka jingki jo ka marbang kamya hap shu ba kata ka jingyam ka jongi ngimla shu ban adjust ngimla shu ban pendap ya ka yin ka sa te ka ni ka kata hadu kata ya ka jingyam jong ki barit ki bariato ki ba kamai ki ba biang ka fix salary mo kung ki government servant tong insuang na kunta ki yo ada ka fix salary to kila na job andre ki daily wages kan ta hado kata but kung juro ya ka dor jong ka gas mo kung bangi pila yo email bakalaki mo ta hado shi hajar khadar spa something mo ngaklan patte ya ka fix rate ta kata hi ka laki yo ka dor jong ka gas te mata ki pun hi ki ba dok basok mo ban siya gas ka hoy ka sarkar ki yung ka IA ka by connection Andrei banthi pali tu gas man ka banai na egin yo kata ka khadar spa te menta pun nga tharai na kibriu ken hapan ban num shet sho ta gas ken hapan wan gang sa ka jinglong ka bare bangin shet biang ka din lani da uranga na mar ka khamlot ke jing ya ka jing ka ba jing pulut ha ka bangin thiet ya gine ki jing shet jungi mo te ta ka gas ite kala kta hdu kata ma ka jing kiu kala kiu kan san ngim te balik ka sarkar kam nyau shu iki betuk besok kam perkhat shu te ngi kat pa ya sarkar mo bakal kalau kini kijing ki bangi ngi face menta nakalem ka jongi hi ha ni yai keren siai keren nakapor baka sarkar kan pedem ya ni ki bedo bakan penkiu ya kijing siung re kam judong kum kata kijing sngap ya kijing kat pa ki jongi ringi pa begini ki marban ki shiki man kasngi ka kata kijing ngi jongi te nginget baka sarkar hi kan perkhandem yi ki bare ki parya ki beduk ki besong kan perkhan kenamba kajing em jungi mo nginu em sat kata kajing em ngila ban em kum kita ki nong kum ki human beings mo kum ki priyo pengila ban em ban adjust ban la ban em kata kajing em ka bang ngin em kerdut kordet mo ngila ban em kajing em ka ba biang ka bang ngin dap ta kajing slat tum pi mo baka government hi ka clarify baka shim kata ka lowest tax Henry honyi su thu baka jing pen ki ka ding petrol ka ding na to central government tambalong ke ai kapangi ngi khi hamne ngimla ban om mangin like direct shaka central government ni ha banya through ka state te da banya through ka state te ya kani ka memorandum ka bangin na government menta ko chief secretary te ling ba ju i ya kran shaka central government halor ka ne ka jing ki to te mangi ban om mangin direct shaka central ngimla ni la ra ya kani ni om bangin sa shong perkhat bian la da ka sarkar kam snap ni sa shong perkhat pat kinu ki jing ki steps ki bangin shin pat tadi bangi su thu ba ka bible la hi kane kumju kumangi ong epi bangi ki anganwadi workers of honorarium kane mental ada ki posnam te kedekat baki comment ki daily needs jongi ki kiu man la kasni te halor hi kani kanong rem na kata-kata ngi saya pelong kani ke demonstration beta kasi ban korpat yang sarkar bakan pedlem halor kani baknang baki priu ki laban emkum kita ki priu kum ki human beings ngoy pi om bakin safa andre bakin laban adjust ke jingin jurki long bakan biam ke bakin dap ta ki jiksa bikin la rupan pendap yang sam delum pan sarkar hi ke ban ban solve lem ya kani problem andre nangi hingin la shu ban